Staying on the top is one of the key factors for business and technological innovation, and with over 600 unique programming languages, deciding on the best programming language for your project may be difficult and can be the hardest part in the initial development phase. And to help, this is Pawan from MTech Viral, and here's my list of the top 10 potential programming languages to learn in 2018. So the first one is Swift, and it is more popular than Objective-C, and this is the language for developing native iOS or macOS apps and is the programming language with the most potential for reshaping the future. Coming second is Ruby. So a general purpose object-oriented programming language born in the 1993. It's 5 times more in demand than Python and one of the fastest growing programming languages. In fact, Ruby is so easy to use, you can create an app in it in under 10 minutes. Groupon, Airbnb, Pixlr and Bloomberg are all coded in Ruby, as well as there are many more. Third one is PHP. PHP is widely used thanks to WordPress. 18% of the top 10 million websites uses PHP in some sort of way, including Facebook and Wikipedia. Fourth one is Python. So Python is perfect and a multi-paradigm programming language. That means OOPS and structured programming both supported. Using Python you can make anything, whether it can be mobile app or web app. So Python's Django is best for web application development. You should definitely give it a look. Fifth one in my list is Dart. So many of you haven't heard about it earlier, but it is not, you can say that it is from 2012 or something like that, and these days because of mobile app development and web app development, Dart is getting so much potential. So what is Dart? Dart is an application programming language that's easy to learn, easy to scale and deployable everywhere. So Google depends on Dart to make very large apps. In fact, Google AdSense and AdWords are all based on Dart. So Google's Flutter is also written in Dart to make cross-platform mobile apps, or you can use Angular Dart to make web apps. Sixth one in the list is JavaScript. So it came up as the most used programming languages by developers at 62.5% as taken in the Stack Overflow developer survey, which surveyed over 64,000 developers in 173 countries. It allows you to build interactive websites and is truly an essential web tool technology alongside HTML and CSS, because most browsers in some way implement JavaScript. Seventh in the list is Kotlin. So with the increasing demand of Android apps and Android developers, Kotlin is an essential edge to Java with 100% interoperability. This open source language can be learned in a few hours, and I have some tutorials for Kotlin as well, so you can give it a look. So with all these advantages, Kotlin is sure going to be one of the top programming languages in 2018. Eighth in the list is C#. Designed by Microsoft, this general-purpose multi-paradigm programming language was used for developing apps on the Microsoft platform. C# operates as a general-purpose object-oriented programming language. So if that's your market, C# is the best language to use for building apps native to the Microsoft platform or any other platform like iOS, Android. You can use Xamarin for that purpose. So apart from that, for developing games using the Unity game engine, you can also use C#. Coming on the ninth, it is the Go programming language. So Go is a free and open source programming language created at Google, and it was created by Robert Grismer, Rob Pike and Cam Thompson in 2007. And recently Go has been in the news all the time, and it is really lovable by developers. So last in the list is Rust. So Rust came in first place in 2016, the Stack Overflow developer survey for what developers loved most. So Rust popped up as the programming language developers loved most at 79.1%. Indeed, new developers love Rust. Developed by Mozilla Foundation, the open source Rust programming language operates as a low-level language suited for performance critical code. So these are all the 10 languages which you should give at least a look. And also please don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, then you can comment also. Also press the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching. Peace.